Well, here's an incredible game for the Atari Lynx, MicroVaders. This is by Songbird Productions. This is the preview edition. I was limited to 50 units at the Portland Retro Gaming Expo 2022. Now, I wasn't at the expo, but fortunately my buddy Rick was from the Televisionaries podcast, and typically when I can't make it to an expo, we do what's called a virtual Willy. Well, he'll go around the show floor with his cell phone, and we'll shop together, and he'll pick stuff up for me and mail to me, which I'm really grateful he does this for me, because I get a lot of stuff that I would actually miss out on, because I can't really get out to the expos too often. I love my Atari Lynx, and this is an incredible game that Songbird is working on. Like I said, this is the preview edition. They're going to release the full version here fairly soon. But it's absolutely incredible. I can't say enough about this game. This is a game the Atari Lynx definitely needed. It kind of reminds me a little bit of a combination of Space Invaders, Galaga, and Galaxian. It's got that kind of gameplay. It's very challenging. So far, the best score I've gotten has been about around 8,000 points or so. But let's go ahead and put it in my Lynx, and we'll give it a try. Alright, let's give MicroVaders a try. Now keep in mind, my Lynx has an updated screen, so the picture's going to look probably better than it would on a normal Atari Lynx. I put the updated screen in mine. Anyway, MicroVaders. Preview Edition. That's a really nice looking intro screen. That's pretty cool. Nice colors. Code by Dave Dyes and Carl Forhan. Graphics by Enderlex. These guys are doing an incredible job on this game. I can't wait till a final version comes out. It's kind of neat to get a hold of this preview version. Anyway, that's enough gabbing. Let's go ahead and play the game. Deep space sensors have detected an aggressive Ictos swarm. We must hold the line, deploying all fighters for counterattack. Ready. Here we go. Now, just like in Galaga, I could try to shoot the guys as they come on the screen. And I died. So far, my high score has been about 8,000 points. Get him! Now I can pause the game by hitting the restart, which is cool. You can also turn the music off by hitting the option 2 button, so you can hear the sound effects. And I died. Big surprise. And I died again. Oh look, 4,200 points. Woohoo! Alright, turn the music back on. Yes, play again. Now, keep your high score as long as you keep the Lynx turned on. But it won't retain it if you turn it off. The game also has power-ups that you can collect. And as you progress through the game, it'll change the background. And you'll have larger enemies to fight. Let's see if I do better this time. Oops. Gotcha. Where they at? There they come. Oh, I missed them. Oh, I missed them all. And here they come. It's a bad dive to kill Willy. Guys at Songbird Productions did a really great job with this. It's an incredibly fun game. It's definitely a game the Atari Lynx needed. It kind of satisfies the urge to play Space Invaders or Galaxian or Galaga on the Atari Lynx. Kind of gives you the best of all three. I love the backgrounds. I doubt the camera is doing the background justice. It looks really good. There we go. Yeah, just sit there. I'll shoot you. Ooh, power up. It destroyed some of the enemies. That worked. If I just get it timed just right, I've not yet been able to destroy all of them when they come on the screen. Oh, another power-up. Ooh, fast shots. Now those come in handy. Oh, and I died. Well, I'm approaching my high score of 8,000 points, so let's see if we can break 8,000 points. No, you don't. You can also use all 4 fire buttons, so you can use it right-handed or left-handed. So that's really nice. Ooh. Almost dive-bombed me. There we go. Hey, I broke my high score. 8,000 points. Just can't get that timing down. Oh, there's the larger enemies. The power up. And I died when I got the power up. Will Willie break 10,000 points? Oh no! Yes, I did break 10,000 points. Awesome. Ooh. Oh, I didn't see him. Dang it. Rats. Let's play one more game. Let's see if I can break my high score at 10,000 points. Get him. Well, that's not a good start. Lost the guy already on wave 1. Oh, I couldn't even hit the broadside of an asteroid. What the heck? There we go. Ah, ooh, got a power up though. Come on, I want those fast shots. There they are. I like the fast shots, and I died. Unbelievable. Ah! Oh, no. Ah, almost got him. There we go. That was a good run. Ah, wasn't far enough over. Oh! Well, I didn't break my high score. Got close, though. 8,775. Play again? No. Anyway, that's MicroVaders, the preview edition. Really awesome game from Songbird Productions. Thanks for watching.